Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new, hit that subscribe button for more awesome language tips. Today, we're exploring how American teens use idioms and phrasal verbs in conversation. We'll break down a chat between two high schoolers, Ashley and Jake, and highlight the cool phrases that make their English come alive. Stay tuned till the end for some essential tips to master these expressions. Let's dive in and enhance your English skills.
Hey, you're in my chemistry class, right? I've seen you around, but we've never really gotten a chance to chat.
Oh, yeah, you sit in the front, don't you? I'm always in the back trying to catch up with my notes.
Totally get that. Mr. Thompson really flies through the material. So, how are you liking the class?
It's all right. Yeah, a bit over my head sometimes. How about you?
It's challenging, but I'm hanging in there. I actually enjoy the experiments a lot. By the way, I'm Ashley.
Nice to meet you, Ashley. I'm Jake. Yeah, the labs are the best part. Last week's volcano experiment was epic.
I know, right? It was a blast. So, do you have plans for the weekend? Maybe catch a movie or something?
Not really. Just chilling at home, probably. You?
Some friends and I are hitting up the new arcade that opened downtown. You should come along. It'll be a lot of fun.
That sounds cool. Count me in. What time are you guys thinking of going?
Around 4 on Saturday, we can meet up there, or I can swing by and pick you up.
Let's meet there. I'll grab a bite before. Hey, thanks for the invite.
No problem, it'll be great to hang out. See you Saturday then?
Totally. So, what else do you like to do when you're not buried in textbooks?
I'm really into photography. I love capturing little moments, you know? Plus, I play soccer on the school team.
Nice. I've been looking to get back into soccer. Maybe I could come out and watch a game.
For sure, that'd be awesome. We have a match next Thursday. You should definitely swing by.
I'll pencil it in. I've been mostly jamming with my band lately. We play a mix of rock and indie.
That's so cool. I'd love to hear you guys play sometime.
We're actually gigging this Friday at the coffee shop on Main. You should come by.
Count me in. It's a date. Not like a date, just, hanging out.
Got it. No pressure. It'll be cool to hang out outside of school.
Totally. It's nice to kick back and relax with friends, especially after a hectic week.
Speaking of which, what's your go-to way to unwind?
Definitely binge watching my favorite shows. I'm a huge fan of those crime-solving series.
No way, me too. Have you seen Who Done It? It's gripping.
Yes, I'm hooked on that one. The plot twists are insane. We should watch an episode together sometime.
I'm down for that. Maybe after the arcade this Saturday?
Sounds like a plan. It's great to find someone who shares my interests.
Agreed. It's been tough finding folks who are into the same stuff I am.
Well, looks like you're stuck with me now. Hope you're ready for a lot of crime shows and soccer talk.
Bring it on. I think I can keep up.
I guess we'll see about that. Looking forward to this weekend.
Me too. See you Saturday, and thanks again for making the new kid feel welcome.
Anytime, it's what friends are for. Catch you later, Jake.
Here's an explanation of the idioms and phrasal verbs used in the initial conversation between Ashley and Jake. 1. Seen you around. This phrase means to notice someone in various places, implying familiarity without direct interaction. 2. Flies through. To move or do something very quickly. Here, it refers to the teacher quickly covering material in class. 3. Hanging in there. A way to say that one is enduring or coping with a situation despite difficulties. 4. Catch a movie. A casual way of saying to go see a movie. 5. Hitting up. Slang for visiting or going to a particular place. 6. Swing by. To make a brief or unplanned visit. 7. Pencil it in. To make a tentative appointment. 8. Jamming with. Playing music informally with a group, often without extensive preparation. 9. Kick back. Relax or take it easy. 10. Hooked on. To become very interested in or enthusiastic about something, often to the point of not being able to stop. 11. I'm down for that. A casual affirmation, meaning the speaker is interested in participating. 12. Bring it on. A phrase used to accept a challenge with confidence. 13. Stuck with me. To be in a situation where one must deal with another person or circumstance, often humorously implying there's no escape. 14. Catch you later. A casual way of saying goodbye, implying that the individuals will see each other again soon. These idioms and phrasal verbs add color and authenticity to the conversation, reflecting how casual language is used among American teenagers. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below telling us what country you're from. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fun and educational content. Keep practicing your English, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.